iExec. Okay, we're gonna do a price prediction and overview on iExec. Guys, thank you for following the channel. iExec is a project that is a decentralized cloud computing project, computing power, data sets, applications. They are a member of the Ethereum Enterprise Alliance, Intel, IBM Cloud, IEEE. This project has been around for a while. Very professional project, and they're doing a lot of professional work. Okay, let me get into. Now, we know this project is being listed on Coinbase Pro on Thursday, so we're doing a quick price prediction and overview video for you guys. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Hit the subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner. Subscribe to the channel. All right. So the first decentralized marketplace for cloud resources, a decentralized network giving applications trusted off-chain computation and data. That is what iExec is, right? So here's where the price is for iExec is $4.28. Since the Coinbase listing, we did have a pump here from 341 to 484. So it's been up about maybe 30%. iExec's market cap is $342 million. Total volume is $250 million. The volume in the past 24 hours is up 766%. So that shows you what the power of a Coinbase listing can do for you. iExec's circulating supply is 80 million tokens. So this is really good. One thing I will say about iExec is, let's see the all-time high. The all-time high was 3 years ago, 540. So what is iExec, right? And the RLC token. The token is RLC on Coinbase. But let's see what it is. And I just said our iExec is the leading provider of blockchain-based decentralized computing. Blockchain is utilized to create an organized market where people can monetize their computing power as well as applications and data sets. It does this by providing on-demand access to cloud computing resources. iExec can support applications in fields such as big data, healthcare, AI, rendering, and fintech. iExec was founded on October 16, 2016 with the goal to reinvent cloud computing through the creation of a new cloud computing paradigm. As such, iExec relies on the Extreme Web help as an open-source desktop grid software that implements features such as multi-application, fault tolerance, multi-users, deployment of virtual images, private infrastructure, data management, security, and much more. What makes iExec unique? The iExec network has been made up of computing resource providers. These are known as iExec workers. Users want to be these workers. They can connect their machines and will be rewarded with RLC tokens for contributing their resources to the network. Application providers can monetize their algorithms, and data providers that own valuable data sets can make them available for usage to iExec. Then there is also the consensus protocol known as POCO, or proof of contribution, that provides consensus over the off-chain computing. Thanks to this proof of contribution, internal resource providers have the users of their resources certified on the blockchain itself. iExec also provides distributed applications running on the blockchain known as dApps, scalable, secure, and easy access to servers, data sets, and computing resources. And since all of this works on Ethereum, it allows for a virtual cloud infrastructure that can provide high-performance computing services on demand. So yeah, man, iExec is definitely one you want to keep an eye on. One thing that's very, that stands out to me compared about iExec is the partnerships, right? These partnerships with Intel and partnerships with Robbie Global has launched iExec. So they just got listed on Coinbase, and now Robbie Global is listing them as well, further cementing them as a huge project that is secure in the crypto world. So yeah, iExec is definitely one to keep an eye out on. Let me see if I can pull this up for you guys. Yeah. So here's the Coinbase Pro listing news for iExec. iExec RLC listed on Coinbase Pro starting today for Thursday. Now, according to Coinbase Pro, iExec RLC token, an Ethereum token for the iExec cloud platform in which users can monetize and rent computing power and data. iExec enables developers to power applications on what is described as a decentralized marketplace for cloud resources. So that is huge, right? So that is definitely huge. So definitely one to check out. I really think we should check out. You guys should check out iExec. I don't know how far it's gonna pump on this Coinbase listing pump. It's 428. I don't know how far it's gonna pump from there, but it's definitely gonna do well in the future. So I would keep an eye on it. We're only at 80 million supply. I think it can do really well. Now let's look at the price prediction here. Did I give you guys a price prediction? Yeah, the price prediction. Yeah, so iExec price prediction. I mean, it's already $4.28, and this is saying by the end of the year 740. By the end of year 2022, 740, $8.92 by 2023. 2024, 1117, 1284. Now, what I look at when I look at price predictions, I usually look at the market cap. I think this can 3x from here and get to a billion market cap. So I will put this at $15. That would be my price prediction, $15. So this price prediction is very conservative. I go a little bit higher based on market cap. I think this can get to a billion market cap. So I will put this at $15 by the end of the year. So this has it at 784 by the end of the year. I think we can get to $15 by the end of the year. That's my price prediction for iExec. Now, if you want to get more information and join us, you can join us at Crypto Millionaire Co. Go here, sign up, put your email, your card number in, sign up, pay $25, join our Discord. Get ready to make major profits trading crypto, okay? Join us there. Also, you can follow us on Twitter at knockoutcrypto.com. Follow us there at knockoutcrypto on Twitter. We've had some great calls. Here was a call that we made a few weeks ago. That call went up 148%. So like I said, guys, if you want to make profits, join us at Crypto Million. Sign up for the Discord. Appreciate your support. Guys, have a good day. God bless America. Be safe out there.